You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, meaning Parisian life, or life in Paris, in Paris, France. La vie, which is French for life, the life, la vie parisienne, meaning from Paris, life in Paris. La vie parisienne, you could say in English, that would be your English pronunciation. La vie parisienne, in French, la vie parisienne. Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, meaning Parisian life, or life in Paris, in Paris, France. La vie, which is French for life, the life, la vie parisienne, meaning from Paris, life in Paris. La vie parisienne, you could say in English, that would be your English pronunciation. La vie parisienne, in French, la vie parisienne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.